and all other graduates who have been declared qualified for the same by the university. I direct you to prove worthy of the same throughout your life by acts and behavior appropriate to your degree. In token thereof, you have been presented with these degrees, and I authorize you to wear the robes as the insignia of your degree.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Congratulations, science graduates. Mr. Chancellor, permit me to present to you, in accordance with the grace passed by the Academic Council and the Board of Management, the graduates whose names are herewith submitted for the award of university gold medals and merit certificates for academic excellence in various faculties of this university, and endowment award to the candidate fulfilling the conditions and criteria of such an award. Chancellor, sir.
I permit.
Thank you, sir. I request Srimati Renuka Chaudhary, Special Guest of Honor, and Shri Soli Sorabji, Guest of Honor, to kindly give away merit certificates and gold medals. I will first announce winners of the University Gold Medals for academic excellence faculty-wise. From the Faculty of Arts and Social Sciences, I invite Sakshi Saxena for securing highest marks in MA English. Ladies and gentlemen, please, big round of applause for these students. They deserve it. They've really done well, and their efforts should be appreciated by all of us. Khushbu Meena for topping in MA History. Wait.
Congratulations.
Anshika Gupta gets the gold medal in MA Psychology. Sakshi Sharma for securing highest marks in Masters in Journalism and Mass Communication program. Geeta Chauhan for topping in Visual Arts. From the Faculty of Commerce and Management, I invite Varsha Bhambu for topping in Masters in Commerce, MCOM program. Manisha Sharma for securing highest marks in Masters in Human Resource Management program, MHRM program. Pooja Gera gets the gold medal in Masters in International Business, MIB program. Akshita Gupta for topping in MBA Trimester Scheme program. Shagufta Khan for topping in PGDM program. From the Faculty of Science, I invite Kumari Saroj and Shruti Agarwal. Both of them get the gold medal in MSc Biotechnology program. Ankita Singh for topping in MSc Botany program. Ankita Singh. Anju Yadav has scored highest in MSc Chemistry. She gets a gold medal and a merit certificate. In fact, all of them are getting a merit certificate and a gold medal. Varshika Khajanchi for topping in MSc Computer Science and MSc IT program. Varshika Khajanchi. Charu Hans for securing highest marks in MSc Home Science. Charu Hans. Chavi Vijay for topping in MSc Microbiology program. Kanika Yadav for securing highest marks in Masters in Textiles. I now invite on the dais toppers of different programs for award of merit certificates. Yogita Tripathi for topping in MA MCom GPM program. Manisha Chahar for securing highest marks in MA Sociology. Sonal Jain for topping in MSc Environmental Science program. Kritika Verma for topping in MA Geography. Ruchisha Sethi for topping in MSc Zoology. These students get a plaque and a merit certificate. I will now present the recipient of endowment awards. It gives me immense pleasure to announce that Ms. Sakshi Sharma is being awarded Dr. Shanti Narendra Bhanawat Gold Medal for securing highest marks in Masters in Journalism and Mass Communication Examination 2012. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Mr. Chancellor, I now request that in accordance with the grace passed by the Academic Council and the Board of Management, the candidates whose names are herewith submitted in the record of degrees and diplomas, but who could not be present in the convocation, be admitted to their respective degrees and diplomas in absentia.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Chancellor of the IIS University, I admit all those graduates of this university who could not attend the convocation to the research degree of MPhil as also the master degree of different faculties with respective names of degrees. I authorize them also to wear the robes ordained as the insignia of their degree and direct them in absentia to prove worthy of the same throughout their life by the acts and behavior appropriate for their degree.
Thank you, sir. May I request Honorable Vice Chancellor to initiate and bless the graduates who have been conferred with the degrees and diplomas and the recipients of gold medals, merit certificates, endowment award, and administer the oath to them.
Please rise in your seats. Repeat after me. As a graduate of the IIS University, wherever my life may take me, I'll use my knowledge, experience and skills to the best of my ability for the well-being of mankind and for the advancement of learning and the public good. I'll take pride in my culture and heritage and work towards ushering in a more humane world which celebrates unity in diversity. I'll conduct myself with honesty and integrity, taking responsibility for my actions and respecting the rights, opinions and dignity of all people. I'll maintain my competency and keep abreast of developments in my chosen fields. I'll consider the social and environmental consequences of choices I make in my personal life and work and improve these aspects of life in my workplace and community. I'll incorporate the ethical and moral principles that constitute integrity in all that I do and faithfully ensure that the results of my professional activities ultimately benefit our world. In all my dealings, I'll endeavor to be known as a person of honor and repute, ever seeking to earn the peace of good conscience. I'll honor all who have shared their knowledge with me and will in my turn share my knowledge and experience with those who enter my field or come under my direction. With this affirmation, I acknowledge and honor the contribution of my university in grooming me into a world-ready citizen. I promise to be a loyal ambassador for my university and will seek to promote its welfare and maintain its reputation. This oath I make freely and upon my honor. Congratulations and all the best. Please take your seats. May I now request the Honorable Guest of Honor, Shri Solly Sorabji, to kindly deliver the convocation address and bless these graduates. Thank you.
Justice Bhargav, Chancellor of the University, Srimati Renuka Chaudhary, spécial invité, Rakesh Gupta, Ashok Gupta, Vice Chancellor, Rakesh Gupta, Registrar, Rakhi Gupta, Registrar, members of the academia, members of the Board of Management, deans, distinguished guests, and bright, aspiring students. I deem it a great honor and privilege that I have been asked to deliver the convocation address. And from what I have seen of the prizes received and the people whom I have met, I think your university has done excellent work. And I feel all the more privileged for that reason to give this convocation address. Now, the title of my talk is Fundamental Rights and Fundamental Duties. Now, I'd like to address a bit on fundamental rights. We keep on speaking fundamental rights in every context without knowing how did they come in our Constitution? What was the fight for the fundamental rights? Actually,